What's going on, y'all? Check it out. We gonna have us some breakfast today. I've been tripping on this just egg, and we gonna see what it's about. But anyway, y'all, let's get it.
And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty.
So yeah, y'all, we gonna start off by getting our potatoes in some boiling water. Get them nice and tender. Now with our asparagus, we're just gonna simply fold it in half, and where it breaks, that's where we're gonna cut all our asparagus to. That length right there. Just like that, y'all. Just like that. Now these we gonna use for stock, y'all. Don't throw it away. Put it in your stock. Add it to that flavor. After our potatoes have boiled for about 3 minutes, we gonna get them on top of our griddle. Cause we ready to get some color on these bad boys and finish them up. They not all the way done, but they right there, y'all. They right there. Then also on our griddle, we're gonna get our asparagus on. After about 2 minutes on that side, we're gonna give our potatoes a flippy flip. Now we're gonna turn our attention to our asparagus. After about 4 minutes, we're gonna hit it with a little bit of water and put a lid over the top. Just to steam up that asparagus a bit and get it nice and tender for when we get ready to eat it, y'all. Make it real tasty. Really tasty. And as you can see, our potatoes have brown and they're looking pretty good. And hey, that means our breakfast is about done, y'all. It's about done. Now you can do this same recipe in just a pan. It'll just take a little bit longer, that's all. Cause you won't be able to cook everything at one time. I would use a cast iron skillet, me myself. But even if you don't have a cast iron skillet, you still can use any pan. But anyway, let's get everything off. And then we're gonna pour in our just egg. This is the main thing that we're trying out. And as I was using this, it kind of looks like pancake batter. So anyway, let's go ahead and scramble it. Because I'm pretty sure that's the only way you can make this is scramble it. I guess you could let it sit there and kind of fry up like a pancake, but I don't know. But anyway, let's go ahead and scramble it up. Which scrambled eggs are my exact favorite. You know, I like me a nice over easy egg. Or a sunny side up egg. But this will work for this. And of course, let's go ahead and get that egg off once it's done. Well, that just egg. And we're gonna do a little taste test right quick, y'all. See what that just egg is all about. Kind of look like egg. Tastes like egg too, y'all. But I don't know. But it's actually, yeah, it tastes like egg. I can't lie. It kind of tastes like egg. But anyway, I enjoyed my breakfast. It was so tasty. That asparagus, them potatoes, that egg. Oh yeah. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.